Hi friends, are you looking for a low calorie weight loss breakfast or supper? Simply break an egg and add it to the oats. This gives lot of energy and protein with low calories and promotes healthy weight loss. This is so simple and you can make this in 5 minutes. For this, you just need 2 eggs. Take 2 eggs and beat them. Now to this, add a quarter cup of rolled or quick oats. You need not roast the oats beforehand for this process, as we are going to cook them along with the eggs. Now to this, add veggies like chopped green chilli and chopped onions. You can optionally add other veggies too. Mix everything. Add salt and pepper per your taste. I am adding a dash of salt and a dash of black pepper. Add chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix one more time. Take a pan, switch on the stove on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread this mixture like omelette. Cover it with a lid and let it roast. It takes around 2 minutes to roast on one side. Roast it on both sides until it gets slight brown color. Once omelette is cooked, take it into a serving plate. That's all, the appetizing veggie oats omelette is ready to enjoy. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.